Good morning vlog. Last day, fit check. I have on shirt from Shein, my joggers from Amazon, and my Skechers. Kyle has his Biltmore shirt, khakis, and Skechers. Are we ready to go today? Well, come on, let's go. So for my first plate, I went with some breakfast items. I got French toast, bacon, eggs, sausage, and then I did grab a bone marrow, as well as some juice, and I have my coffee. Kyle got a standard plate as well, and we'll see you in a bit.
Switch it up!
So for my second plate, I got that angry mac and cheese, I got some crab legs, I got sushi. It did look a little dry, so I only got one. And I got a crate. A little bit of everything on this plate. Kyle got more bacon, some fruit, and eggs this go round. How is it? You like it?
No.
Alright, see you in a bit. And yes, before you judge me, I did go back and get another plate of crab legs because I'm from South Carolina and we love crab legs.
Oh.
So, yes, I will be eating this. And it will probably be my last plate. See you in a bit. Here's another sea roll for you. You see it as we see it. So we have the chandelier bar coming down from the Cosmo. We just finished up at Wicked Spoon. We will give you a update on what we thought about that in just a second. So, see you in a bit. Okay, so like I said, we just finished up at Wicked Spoon. I enjoyed it. I would definitely go back. What about you?
Yeah. I had some good things on the buffet.
Like, what was your favorite?
Bacon.
Leave it to the countryman to want the bacon. Alright, so he liked the bacon. I, of course, like the crab legs. Kyle doesn't eat those because he says that they are too much trouble to get them open, but I don't have any problems with it.
I'd starve before I could even eat them.
You would not starve. Anyways, so we are heading back to the hotel to finish packing up our stuff so we can get checked out, find out where we're going to leave our luggage for the day, and see what we get into. So, see you in a bit. We have checked out of our hotel and we are going to see what we get into today. I think we're going to go on back down to Fremont one last time before leaving, and we will see what else we get into today. It's going to be a long day. What you think?
Very long day. It should have been a long week, but it wasn't. But, oh well.
Yeah, but it'll be okay. We'll see you in a bit. Well, we've made it back to Fremont. Now, Kyle enjoys it during the day, so maybe today he'll be in a little bit better mood. Maybe, just maybe. shopping for the baby. Yes, I have a grandson, so we have to come to Vegas. You know, you can't come to Vegas without getting your baby son. What you say?
Yep.
Alright, so now we're just walking around the casinos. I don't know if we're gonna play anything here or not. Maybe later, I'm not sure. But we're gonna see what we get into while we're going this way, and we will see you in a bit. Longest bar on Fremont. We are here in Circa, and here is Vegas Vicky.
Yep.
How likes Vegas Vicky?
Whoever that is, I'm not sure who that
Comment below if you don't know who Vegas Vicky is.
is. Me?
Help him. Somebody help him. Lord have mercy. See you in a bit. What you think about this sports book?
Pretty big. Pretty big.
Yeah. It's huge. Well, we're gonna see what we get into here. So see you in a bit. Okay, so once again, this man of mine is hungry. Anyway, so I think we're gonna go to Whiskey Liquor Up and see what they have. We usually eat here anyways, at least once during the trip. So we're gonna go up here, see what we can get in. It looks pretty packed from here, but we'll see you in a bit. Is apparently stuck on Bloody Marys.
And let me tell you, that one right there, that one is, I got the spicy. That one is spicy. I may have some issues later on with that one.
And whose fault would that be?
The bartenders for making it too spicy.
Yeah, good luck with that one. But yeah, he's stuck on Bloody Marys this trip. I don't know what it is about him, but anyways, comment below, like and subscribe if you like Bloody Marys also. How many people do you think will?
What, like Bloody Marys? A lot. I mean, that's a pretty popular drink.
Says the man who this is the first time he's ever ordered one.
Well, I wanted to try one.
Okay, anyways, see you in a bit. And I got a juicy fruit, and this is really good. It's really fruity. I really like it, and I will probably order another one. See you in a bit. Kyle got him a drunken burger with fries. I got chicken tenders with fries. This looks yummy. See you in a bit. I am officially full. No, I did not eat it all. I have leftovers. Kyle, on the other hand, did eat all his.
I'm full now.
Yeah. So, anyways, we'll see you in a bit. Okay, if Kyle wants to know what to get me, I'll take this right here. That will work right here.
Yeah.
I would take this.
Four-wheel drive.
Very nice. It's a pretty truck. I like it. Let's see what we can get on some minimum bet playing. We need the little green guy up front with a green little thing to do cash collect. Or we need one of these little diamonds to throw one of those little bonuses up here. Come on, little mummy, walk across the screen and give me something. Green, 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 green. Come on, give me something good. Give me something good. Yes! We should get the bonus, at least. Yay! You're such a good little mummy. Cash collect. Let's get something good. Give me something good. Alright, we got one. We need 4 more. Let's go. Green, 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 green. Yes. Okay. Give me some green, 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 green. Oh, come on. No dead spins. Dead spins are no fun. Green, 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 green. Drop something big. There we go. I'll take that $7.50, please and thank you. Alright now, I need some green so I can go to the next level. Come on, green, 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 green. Come on, green. Okay, give me my little $12.75. Off of a 75-cent bet, that's really not that bad. I wish it could have been bigger, like a minor or a major. That would have been like awesome. But anyways, I'll see what else I get into and we'll be back in a bit. on the moving sidewalk. We're walking at super speed. Super speed walking. Super speed walking. Yep, we're going meow. D5, that's where we're going. Got here super fast. Gotta slow down before I fall. Time to head home. Let's go.